Ready to elevate your driving experience with the perfect mix of luxury and performance? Meet the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact SUV that redefines style, comfort, and capability. Whether you're cruising through city streets or tackling off-road adventures, the T-Roc promises a refined and exhilarating ride at every turn. Recent spy shots reveal an exciting redesign that amps up the T-Roc's bold, SUV-inspired presence. The familiar crossover silhouette is now sharper and more angular, creating a more athletic and commanding look. This updated design is sure to appeal to both urban drivers and outdoor enthusiasts, making a statement wherever you go. Inside, the 2026 T-Roc will continue to impress with its tech-savvy, luxurious cabin. The digital cockpit will provide an enhanced driving experience, featuring advanced connectivity and user-friendly controls. Whether you choose the well-equipped base trim or the sportier R-Line, the interior will combine practicality with a premium feel. While specifics on the powertrain are still under wraps, rumors suggest the 2026 T-Roc will feature updated engine options. A hybrid variant is a strong possibility, continuing Volkswagen's push for sustainable performance. Expect turbocharged engines, such as a 1.5-liter producing 150 horsepower, and a more powerful 2.0-liter engine pushing out up to 190 horsepower. Additionally, both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive options are likely to be available, offering flexibility for any driving condition. Pricing: the hybrid variant could push the T-Roc's price closer to $45,000, while base models will likely start around $30,000. With its blend of cutting-edge design, innovative technology, and versatile performance, the 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc is set to raise the bar for compact SUVs. Expect a formal reveal in late 2025, with more details to come. The 2026 Volkswagen T-Roc sets itself apart from rivals like the Ford Puma and Hyundai Kona with its premium design, advanced tech, and potential hybrid option. Offering a more refined interior and eco-conscious performance, it stands out in the compact SUV market as a stylish, versatile choice that blends luxury with efficiency. The 2026 T-Roc is poised to make a splash in Volkswagen's SUV lineup. Whether you're a longtime fan or new to the T-Roc, this fresh iteration is sure to impress with its bold look and modern upgrades. Stay tuned. You won't want to miss this one.